boys and girls. On Friday, we're going to be taking our unit test over properties of matter, and we know that studying mixtures is in that unit where we are talking about the properties of matter and how we can make these different kinds of mixtures. So I wanted to do a quick progress monitoring assessment. This is the same kind of thing we would do when we would do the four corners around the room. Unfortunately, we can't do the four corners, but what I want to do is, as you're listening to these questions being read, then you're just going to answer the questions below in the Google form, okay? So number 1, after I read the question, I want you to pause the video, go choose your best answer, and then play the video again, and I'll read question 2, and we'll go on that way, and I'll remind you to pause so that you can answer your questions as we're going, okay? So number 1, a sieve, this word is sieve, is a wide container with a flat bottom. The bottom has many small holes, all the same size. Kind of looks like a colander, right? Which of the following mixtures could be separated using a sieve? A, nuts and raisins. B, salt and pepper. C, sand and gravel. Or D, aluminum nails and iron nails. Think about the properties of each of these objects and which one could be sorted out or separated using the sieve. So pause the video, go down to number 1 and answer. All right, you should be finished with number 1. Let's go take a look at number 2. Which of the following mixtures could be separated by using only evaporation? And if you remember, evaporation is when you leave a liquid out and it changes from a liquid to a vapor. Okay, it evaporates. So, can oil and water be separated with evaporation? Sand and gravel separated by evaporation? Water and sugar separated by evaporation, or sugar and salt separated by evaporation? Pause your video, go down to number 2, and choose your best answer. Number 3. A student filled 2 containers with 50 milliliters of water and added 10 milligrams of sand to the first one, and 10 milligrams of salt to the second. So they're both mixed with water. Here's them adding sand, here's them adding salt, and they're mixed with water. What is the difference between these two mixtures? A, only mixture 1 begins with a liquid and a solid. B, only mixture 2 can be separated with a magnet. C, in mixture 1 only, the solid will float on the water. Or D, in mixture 2 only, the properties of the solid change. Think back to the video we watched last week where we had mixtures and we had solutions. All right, so think logically on this one. Pause the video, go answer number 3, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. Number 4. Students created 4 mixtures. So mixture 1 has liquid soap, corn oil, which is like vegetable oil, which you use to cook with, and lemon juice. Mixture 2 is pumpkin seeds, dried beans, and salt. Mixture 3 is wooden beads, glass beads, and iron beads. And mixture 4 is sand, gravel, and iron filings, which if you guys will remember last year when we did mixtures, we had a little cup of sand, and you could use the magnet and pull out those little black pieces. That was the iron filings. Which of the 4 mixtures could be separated using the following procedures? So think about the steps for separating. Step 1. Place the mixture in a basin or bowl of water and scoop out what floats on the water. So think about these 4 options. Which one of these has things that will float on the top? Then step 2, dry off the remaining mixture and use a magnet to separate the last two components. So think logically about these mixtures. Which mixture has something that will float? And then also something that is magnetic, okay? Is it mixture 1, mixture 2, mixture 3, or mixture 4? Okay, so basically A for mixture 1, B for mixture 2, C for mixture 3, and D for mixture 4. Pause your video. Go choose your best answer. All right, welcome back. Here's our last question. Number 5. Students created two mixtures. Mixture 1 is sugar and water. Mixture 2 is marbles and water. Well, right off the bat, I want mixture 1. Mixture 1 is different from mixture 2 because only in mixture 1, A, is there any liquid? So think, do both of these have liquids? Does only one of them have liquid? B, mixture 1 is different from mixture 2 because only in mixture 1 will there remain a solid. Okay. Letter C, was there any dissolving? Or D, did ingredients stay the same? So how is mixture 1 different? Well, was there a solid remaining? Was there any dissolving? Or did the ingredients stay the same? You can now stop the video. If you need to rewatch to check and hear any of the questions again, you may rewatch. Do your very best, think logically, and I can't wait to see how you guys do on this. Have a great day.